Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the Fair Harbor booking system. So if you want to know more details, just keep on watching the video. Fair Harbor is a reservation and management system made for tour, activity, and rental businesses, from kayak tours to escape rooms. It helps you take online bookings, manage inventory, and even run your business day to day. Here's where Fair Harbor shines. First is its user-friendly dashboard, easy to learn even for non-tech teams, powerful calendar, real-time availability, staff assignments, and resource management all in one place. 24/7 support, actual humans, helpful, fast, and available around the clock. There is also no monthly fee. They work off a per booking commission, which can be big win if you're seasonal. But there are also a few things to watch out for. First is transaction fees. You don't pay a monthly fee, but per booking rates can add up fast. Another thing is the customization limits. The booking flow is solid, but you might feel restricted if you want full control over your customer journey. Lastly is the lock-in factor. Once your site is built on their system, switching away can be tricky. So, what is the final verdict? Fair Harbor is ideal for growing tour or rental businesses that want an easy, powerful booking solution without building from scratch. If you're looking for full customization or low fees at scale, you might want to explore other tools like Bokun, Checkfront, or ResD. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!